What it do, YouTube? What it do, YouTube? This your boy Leech back with another video. You already know what day it is. Y'all see who we got in the thumbnail today. Free that boy. YNW Melly. Coming straight out of Florida again. But you already know what we about to do. Go ahead and like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you ain't already. And you know what it'll be at next week on Wednesday for the next person. So go ahead and drop down in the comments who y'all want to see next. But yeah, we about to jump into this hook. Let's get it. So you know we doing YNW, so you know you gotta have that the little in the voice, you know what I mean? Cause the boy got that in the voice. So you about to go ahead and jump this hook. Let's get it. I've been out here chasing cheese and I've been smoking broccoli, fighting all these demons that is trapped inside of me. I know that I would make it nowhere if a nigga didn't believe. Now I got my team out here looking out for me, cause I've been out here chasing cheese and I've been smoking broccoli, fighting all these demons that is trapped inside of me. I know that I would make it nowhere if a nigga didn't believe. Now I got my team out here looking out for me while I'm doing all this time. 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 Yeah, ooh. And that's how Melly be freaking at me, you feel me? Now we finna jump into them alleys. Let's get it. Let go. Broccoli inside me. Oh, yeah. Broccoli inside me. And then believe. Why I'm doing all this time. While I'm doing all this time. While I'm doing all this time. While I'm doing all this time. And that's how YNW just come on there freak a little ad-libs a little bit. Yeah. Now we gonna check out this vocal chain and we gonna listen to the playback. Let's get it. This is what I got from my auto-tune. Go ahead and get that. This is what I got my for delay. This is what I got for my delay. Go ahead and get that. Yeah. And now we're gonna go to the best part. We ain't wasting no time. I'm ready to hear this out loud. You feel me? I'm ready to turn up. Let's get it. I've been out here chasing cheese and I've been smoking broccoli, fighting all these demons that is trapped inside of me. I know that I would make it nowhere if a nigga didn't believe. Now I got my team out here looking out for me, cause I've been out here chasing cheese and I've been smoking broccoli, fighting all these demons that is trapped inside of me. I know that I would make it nowhere if a nigga didn't believe. Now I got my team out here looking out for me while I'm doing all this time. 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 Yeah. I've been had the vision, people wouldn't listen, and now they left out. And my jury glisten. They see I'm making moves and now they wanna sneak this about me, but my AK-47 gonna cut right through their spleen. Doing shit they never seen. Seen a young nigga in the magazine. I was on my day, nobody looking out for me. Every time I look now they got the hell out of me. Oh, swear that made me feel some type of way. And now I got this big AR right. I've been out here chasing cheese and I've been smoking broccoli, Fighting all these demons that is trapped inside of me. I know that I would make it no way if a nigga didn't believe. Now I got my team out here looking out for me, cause I've been out here chasing cheese and I've been smoking broccoli. Fighting all these demons that is trapped inside of me. I know that I would make it no way if a nigga didn't believe. Now I got my team out here looking out for me while I'm doing all this time. 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 Yeah. Ooh. And that's how Melly be coming slide, bro. Y'all know how Melly used to do it, bro. Can't wait for my boy out, dog. Can't wait for that nigga to free Melly. Free Melly, nah, for real. But you already know what to do, man. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you like it, which I know you do. So tap in with your boy, man. You need mixing and mastering, man. I do got a mixing and mastering service, man. Hit me up at my DM. Ask me how much I mix, cause that ain't much. I ask how much I master, cause it ain't much either. But you already know. Hit your boy up. Go check out the rest of these videos. Tap in if you all this you need videos. Holla at your boy. I'm gonna fly to your town. We're gonna shoot your video. Check out. I got my prices on my website. www.schoolboyshow.com. Go get there. Put it right there. If you ain't heard what I said, right there. I get it. But you know this all leading and we out here. Yeah.